Hi, I'm Gia. Welcome to Crocheting with ZITELLE. The ZITELLE brand represents quality, family, tradition, and pride. For more than 3 generations, our family has crocheted and knit quality garments during times when clothing wasn't disposable and artisans took pride in their work. The old art of crocheting and knitting was passed down among family members who proudly kept these skills alive. The love for wool, the arts, and style inspired ZITELLE to create timeless pieces with a contemporary updated form. Crocheting is an art that is mastered with practice and lots of patience. With all of the bright, colorful specialty yarns that are available to us today, you too can enjoy the art of wool. We have a series of beginner tutorials that will get you on your way to mastering the skill of crochet. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. That way you can stay up to date on all things ZITELLE. See you next time.